Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video I'm going to share on how to make a electrical lamp tester. This lamp is very important. You can use it while testing electrical circuits, maybe after doing the wiring. So you can use it to test if your circuit is okay. So this video will just show things you need to have this lamp test. So you need to have a lamp holder. So you see there, I'm just near our workshop. So this guys, I just decided to bring you a live video. To make this video showing my fans on how to make this lamp test. So you need to have a 240 volt alternative current volt light. You need to have 2 pieces of wire size 1.5. So for lighting we use 1.5 millimeter cable. So you need to have a lamp holder. You have meter, multimeter. You need to have electrical insulating tape. You need to have all those things. You need to have tester. So like here now I'm fixing the 2 neutral and live wire, fixing it the holder, tightening using the tester. So guys, if you are ready to this channel, I just urge you to support by subscribing my channel. Subscribe, like, and you can share this video to many people so that they can learn on how to fix or how to make a lamp tester, electrical lamp tester. We just use it to test if the line has power. So subscribe. Bye bye.